Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video, we had discussed about while loops, right? In this video, we are going to discuss about for loops with example. Let's get started. In Python, a for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either a list, a tuple, a dictionary, or a set, or a string. We are going to discuss about these lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries in future videos. Let me see the syntax of for loop. For a variable in sequence. The sequence are lists, tuples, dictionaries we have told. For variable in sequence, print the statements which are required to repeat the execution. Which we want to repeat the execution, we have to print them. We have to print them all. Let me explain with an example. Let me open my text editor Sublime. Okay. Countries. I'm taking the list here. Countries with name countries. Countries. That is India. Okay. USA, France, and Japan. Okay. For I in countries, point I. Okay. Here, countries is a list which store multiple things like integers, strings. Here we store country names such as string. Okay. We will discuss about lists clearly in further videos. Let's see what happened. What is the output to this? Let me execute. Let me first save this. I'm going to run this in my cmd command prompt. I'm in my directory, so I'm going to type my program name program1.py. See the output. In USA, France, Japan, we get output. Okay, now let's see the block diagram. Okay, this is a block diagram. For each item in the sequence, it will check is it last item or not. If it is not last item no, then for loop body will execute it. And again it will go to check the last item. This if it is not last element, it will come again and execute the for loop, and this process is going on until the last element in sequence is appear. If the element is the last element, then S, then exits the loop. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, clear this. I'm taking a string here, name, that is Basha. Okay, for C in name, print C. Let me execute this, save, and my cmd and take program1.py. CBASHA. If you remember this, here's this assignment I have given, right? Printing our name in vertical direction in the previous video. This is very simple by using for loop, right? I want to talk about range function here. The range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 by default and incremented by 1 by default and ends at a specific number. See the syntax of range function. Range parenthesis in parenthesis start, stop, and step. We have to give values for this. A start is an integer number specifying at which position to start. Default its value is 0 and it is optional. Next stop, it is not optional, we have to give this. And an integer stop is an integer number specifying at which position to end. Okay. Next step is also optional. Integer number specifying the incrementation. This default value is 1. It will increment 1 default by default. We can give values to it. We use the range function with for loops. To loop through a set of code a specified number of times, we use the range function. Let me explain with the example. See, this is my sublime, right? I in range of 10, right? Can I call that? And I. Okay, let's save this. save this. Let me open my cmd command prompt. Okay, I'm already in my directory, so I'm going to type my program name, program1.py. See here, by default is start value is 0, so 0 to 9. I have to give the stop value size. Stop value I give as 10, so 10 is not printed. From till 9 it is printed. Okay. Next I will discuss with another example. Okay. Let me give this as from 2 to start value is 2 and stop value is 20 and step is 2. Okay. Let me see what happened here. Okay, I'm going to save this and run in my cmd. See 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18, because from starting from 2 and step value is 2, so 2 and our stop value is 20, right? That is 20 is not 20. Okay. Next we can use break, continue, else here also, like we have used it in while loops, right? With examples I will explain. First, break. How to use break I will explain with an example. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, right here I'm taking names as a list. Okay, as Basha and Steve and John. Okay, next I will take James, right? Okay, I'm taking names as a list for n in names print n. Okay, print n. Next, if n is equal to John, then break. Okay, let me execute this. I'm going to save this and run in my cmd. It print Basha, Steve and John, and n value become John. That's why it break the execution. Okay, let me show you one thing. If I replace this with here, replace this to here, we save this. What happened? See, print Basha and Steve, not print John. When print is in line number 3, it print Basha, Steve and John. If I replace the print to the line number 6, here, it not print John, just it print Basha and Steve. Why this happened? Think. Comment your opinion in the comment section below. I will answer this question in our next video. Okay. Next, I will talk about continue word. Okay. Same, I'm taking the same list I am going to use here names, and I'm iterating using for loop. Okay. Next, if n is equal to Steve, I'm taking the name Steve, then continue. Okay, I'm printing the value of n. What happened here? I'm going to save this. Okay, we'll clear this first. It will print only Basha, John and James, because first it will print Basha, and when n is equal to Steve, it continue. How it continue works I already discussed in previous video in while loops 2, so that link is in description. Please check out it. I will just explain the codes here. So next I will explain else keyword uses here. Okay, I'm going to use for x in range of 10. Okay, print x, right? I'm going to use else here. How this will work I already explained in while loops 2. Check out the video. The links are in description. Okay. Print finished. Okay. Let's save this. Okay, I'm going to execute this. See 0 1 2 3 4 until 9 and finish. When for x in the range of 10, it will print from 0 to 9, and after this iteration over, it will come to else black and print finished. Okay. Next, finally, I'm going to discuss about one more topic, that is nested loops in this video. A nested loop is a loop inside another loop. The inner loop will be executed one time for each iteration in the outer loop. Okay, let me explain with this example, then it will clear. Okay, now I am going to clear this and take one list, that is names list, and in this list I'm going to give names as first name Steve, second name John, third name as Basha. Okay, and I am going to give another list is about, and I'm going to give here is good and is a student. Next I'm going to give you here is from India. Okay, I've taken two lists, one list is names and another list is about. Okay, and I'm using a loop for x in names and for y in about. To iterate the names list I using for x in names, to iterate the about list I using for y in about. Okay, let me print this, print x comma y. Okay, let's save this and show what happened to this code. Okay, let's save this. Let's see, Steve is good, Steve is a student, he is from India. Let's same for John. John is a student, John is good, John is a student, John is from India. But is good, but is same. For in about list there are 3 strings, so this for loop will iterate 3 times for every value, every string in names list. Okay, that's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like my videos, please hit the like button. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.